Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Things to Do in Southern Illinois. Today we are at the Oasis Power Center Mall. It's Black Friday. They're having their grand opening sneak peek, so we get to go inside and see what they have. We heard whispers of Goofy Golf. We heard whispers of Go-karts. We heard whispers of an arcade. So this stuff isn't open yet, but we can go see it. So let's go check it out. We're gonna be some of the first people to see. Let's get inside. Wait, we're outside. Let's get inside. You guys wanna get inside? Let's jump. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we made it inside. Oh my gosh, this place is way bigger than I expected. Look at the tree. We heard there's a cave. Check this out. Let's go explore. Mommy's lost in the cave. Hey guys, there's a waterfall and we're on the inside. Check the outside. Whoa, and there's so much more. Let's keep exploring. You lead the way now, sis. Go that way. I'm following you. There's a jet ski in that one. There's more than one waterfall inside of this mall. Come on, Bubba. Where do we go? Look for golf carts, go-karts, motorcycles, and more. Are we trapped in the cave? Where'd you go? I think this is where we need to go. Let's look for, I'm gonna run. Who's running with me? Come on, Bubba. Get it. Get here. Come on. Hurry. No way. Look at this. Holy smokes. Look at that go-kart. That's huge. Oh my gosh. Look at the bowling. Look at the time lapse of them building it. That is so cool. This is epic. Southern Illinois is going to be an epicenter for entertainment. This is cool. Let's check out some of these arcade games. These are brand new, state-of-the-art, never been played before games. What? There's so much. The floor is literally lava. Ah! Oh, that's cool. Never seen that before. Whoa, what is this? Some virtual game? I'm super excited. Let's keep walking around and exploring. There's other side too, so let's keep going. We'll come back and actually play when it's open. Whoa, it's like a high-tech putt-putt. Yeah, me neither. This is totally different. It's like points, so you shoot at different ones. That's cool. It's like electronic. Never seen that. We're not done exploring this mall just yet. There's so much more to come and so much more to still be built. So don't go anywhere and check this place out as soon as it's open, because it's still under construction. We're not even getting to see what this place fully has to offer. Oh, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, let's explore some more to the laser tag area. Let's go. Whoa, look at the staging area. High tech in there. Whoa. The laser tag, to be determined what it's gonna look like. All right, you wanna hit the other side of the mall? Wait, we gotta check out the bowling rings. Wait, this will be a lot faster. This mall's huge. Whoa, it worked. Awesome. I knew that would work. Check it out, we're at the bowling alley. Oh, it's blacklight bowling alley. Should we go see what's on the other side of the mall? Really fast run? Ooh, we're getting the free $50 voucher. Awesome, perk of coming today. Awesome. Sweet, thank you guys. Woo!
Make sure you guys subscribe, because when they open, we'll be coming back to use these $50 certificates to have some fun.
Woo! We're gonna be setting some lap times down on this go-kart track, and I'm gonna get number 1.
No, I'm number 1.
All right, subscribe to find out. How about that? All right. Yeah, let's check out the other side of the RVs. Wow, look at all those motorcycles. You're right, a lot of black and green. Oh, wow. We gotta go that way. All right, climb in it, give me a tour. Whoa, first place, it's got a fire pit. Walk-in bathroom, walk-in shower, walk-in bedroom with a queen-size bed. full vanity with mirror. Whoa, an open air concept with a porch. I hadn't even noticed that yet. Wow, you can come outside, inside. This is crazy. Woo! What do you think? Oh yeah. Whoa, let's check it out. Is this one long one? This is one long one. All right, you step on in to the upstairs loft bed.
Mommy, into the other room.
Whoa, this is just a separate camper, but it's the same camper. This is like your work area. Oh, wow. Whoa, with bunks above us. Lowering down beds. And your back porch with an awning. Oh! Easy though. Whoa, you're strong. All right, take me to the next camper. Last camper, follow sis. Where'd you go? How did sis disappear like that? What? I see a foot. She tricked me. Full-size bathroom, full-size shower. What else is in this place?
Oh, a bunk bed. There's another bed.
What? Oh, I did. Whoa! You come all the way up. Go check out the window up there. Yeah, I mean, for kids, this is cool. What do you think? You like it? Whoa, the blue ones is crazy, dude. The inventory they got here. Oh yeah, this is probably extremely powerful. All right, let's finish the tour. Let's see what this place has to offer. And we heard they got some shops for some Black Friday sales. So we're gonna see if we can find anything good. Let's go. Look at this, they got lawnmowers and refrigerators. Just as the sign says, there's more coming, so don't go anywhere. Let's keep exploring, let's go. What is that, burger and hot dogs, dude? What? Oh yeah. We came at the right time. Cheers. 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 Jet ski. Wow, I like the color of some of these coming up. All right, we ate. We're gonna go see what they have for sale. We heard there's some good Black Friday sales, some stores that are here that aren't always here. So let's go see. What's going on here?
You can win a team signed baseball.
Oh, we'll do that. Fill out our name. You wanna put your name right there at the top? Sis, you wanna do it for me? Thank you, woo! This is actually kind of cool. I mean, for $10, that ain't bad. Oh, this is more of like a jersey material. I like that. Ready, baseball team? Go! All right, brother, I think we've got shirts. Hands in, go team! Awesome. Dad's got his Thrillville shirt and the one-wheel stuff next to the racing gear. And heck, a little demo area, just like a little pump track learning area. Oh yeah, those are cool. That is a beautiful bike. Wow. You gonna hold the money, Bubba? Can you drop it? Can you drop it? Woo! Drop it, River. Drop it. Oh, grab it, River.
There you go.
Awesome. Thanks, Cody.
Yeah.
This sounds really good, dude. It really does. We got us a bracelet. That was super nice.
You want to put them on? Good job.
Whoa, that was a fun, fast tour. Make sure you guys check out when this place opens. And we're out of here. We'll see you guys in the next one. Put it in gear, Luna. Drive, drive, drive. Let's go. Oh, clap really hard. One big clap.